Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be something a little bit differently. It's going to be a lot of fun actually. I'm doing a collaboration with Melissa, also known as Melissa with a Y. So I'll go ahead and link her channel down below. And if you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button, especially if you came over from her channel. Make sure that you comment, say hello, let me know where you're from. Today's video, we're doing something a little bit different. It was a bit fun. Different. We asked our followers on Instagram to pick one color for us to eat for an entire day. Let's get started. So I actually already went to Sprouts yesterday and bought everything, but I'll kind of show you guys what we have so far, and then we'll start with breakfast. All right, so this is what I got for the challenge. I got my veggie straw jalapenos, organic vegan spinach, some pears, some Greek yogurt. This is zucchini. Bananas, but that's for something else. Cabbage, avocado, and some broccoli, and some pears. So this will be interesting. Let's go ahead and get this started. Alright. So, yep. Hold on, I'll put it there in a second. Alright. So we'll start with my protein shake. Make it green. This is just they were gonna put it in. Okay. Hold it. No. Okay. Look, little Lona. So put it on here. Put it on here, upside down. You want to taste it?
Yummy.
You like it?
Yeah.
Alright, so I got my green shake for the day. Alright, it's brunch time actually. So I had my green shake. So now it is time for lunch. It's 11:50 actually. So what I'm going to be making is a salad. So it's going to be baby spinach and kale with fried green tomatoes and with avocado. Do a nice little cilantro cream dressing. So let's go ahead and make some lunch. All right, so I have my flour, my panko, my cornmeal, my green tomatoes, my eggs, and my salad, and this is my avocado. Alright, so now I'm gonna make a lime dressing. So you have sour cream, lime, and some cilantro, and a little bit of olive oil and salt and pepper. Ta-da! It's probably not the prettiest, but there we go. I'm definitely making this again, not just for this. I'm making this again. You like that? My mom is eating it too. This is a winner. If you guys want this recipe, give it a thumbs up and I'll send it to you. I'll link it down for you guys below. So it is a lot later. I ended up falling asleep with Camila. So it's like 3:50 right now. I am hungry, but I'm gonna start cooking dinner in about an hour. So I'm just gonna have a snack. Green, of course. So I'm gonna make myself some tea. So of course, I'm gonna be making green tea. Yeah, it's just green tea with coconut. So you can see here. And then I have my macaroons. And look at her. No, you can have a little bit of mine. You can share. You're welcome. We can share.
It's cookies.
Right. And I'm actually making some more of this green dressing, and I'm actually going to add avocado. So it's going to be avocado, cilantro, sour cream, and then the lime. But I'm going to make some more. This is going to go on top of the cabbage wedges. They're actually, I was picking out all the green ones because of course it's a green challenge. And surprisingly, there are not a lot of green ones in here. So I was able to pick these out. All right, you guys, how was it? Dinner was so good. Ladies, I just made this recipe from the Ultimate Portion Fix. It's the cabbage wedge. I did my own little avocado cilantro dressing with Greek yogurt. But oh my God, it's delicioso. My mom loves it. It's so good. I didn't do dessert because it actually was pretty filling, and I've been drinking a lot of water throughout the day. But I might have some green tea in a little bit, but that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed this green challenge. If you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button. I hope that you join the family so you can enjoy weekly videos from me. Thanks for watching. Bye.